Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to Madam. What can I do for you?
I would like to check out from this hotel.
What room did you stay?
I second room.
Have you staying here from 2 days ago? Is that right?
Yes, I have.
And no, 3 June 2016. You have to pay Rp 1,200,000 rupiah. How will you pay?
Can I insert the debit cards?
Yes, you can.
This money.
Okay. Thank you for staying in Melati Anugrah Hotel, Madam Patricia.
Thank you.